Are you ready to test your knowledge about the ocean's most feared predators? If you think you know all there is to know about sharks, then think again. In this video, we'll dive deep into the murky depths and uncover the 5 most dangerous sharks in the world. These are not the sharks you've seen in aquariums or heard about in fairy tales. Nope, these are the real deal. When it comes to sheer speed and agility in the water, the mako shark is the undisputed champion. The bull shark is truly a shark like no other. The great white shark is the stuff of nightmares, a massive predatory fish with a taste for human flesh. At the top of the food chain, this apex predator is a force to be reckoned with. Growing up to 20 feet in length and weighing over 5,000 pounds, the great white is one of the largest shark species in the world. But their size and strength are not what make them so terrifying. Great white sharks are known for their intelligence, curiosity, and aggressive behavior towards humans. They're responsible for hundreds of attacks each year, more than any other shark species. But why are these sharks so aggressive? Scientists believe it has to do with their hunting style. Great whites are ambush predators who rely on surprise to catch their prey. They often approach their targets from below, using their powerful tails to propel themselves upwards and out of the water in a spectacular display of power and grace. Once they have their target in sight, they use their sharp teeth and strong jaws to slice through flesh and bone with ease. Despite their fearsome reputation, great white sharks are actually quite graceful and elegant in the water. Their movements are fluid and powerful, making them one of the most beautiful as well as terrifying creatures in the ocean. But don't be fooled by their beauty, because the great white shark is truly a predator not to be messed with. Known for its extreme aggression and remarkable ability to adapt to different environments. We'd love to hear what you thought about it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. This apex predator is a force to be reckoned with. Bull sharks can grow up to 13 feet in length and weigh over 1,000 pounds, making them one of the largest shark species in the world. But their size and strength are not what make them truly terrifying. Bull sharks are notorious for their aggressive behavior towards humans. They're responsible for a significant number of unprovoked attacks each year, more than any other shark species. But why are these sharks so aggressive? Scientists believe that it has to do with their unique physiology. Bull sharks have a special ability to regulate their body temperature, allowing them to thrive in both cold and warm waters. This adaptability also makes them more likely to encounter humans, leading to more opportunities for conflict. But despite their fearsome reputation, bull sharks are actually quite intelligent creatures. They're known for their curious nature and have been observed approaching boats and divers to investigate them closely. However, this curiosity can sometimes turn deadly, as bull sharks have been known to mistake divers for prey and attack them. To avoid becoming a victim of a bull shark attack, it's important to be aware of their behavior and take precautions when entering their territory. This includes avoiding swimming at night, not wearing shiny jewelry, and staying close to other people. While bull sharks are undoubtedly dangerous creatures, they're also fascinating and integral parts of our marine ecosystem. As apex predators, they help keep populations of other species in check and ensure that no single species dominates the waters. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these majestic creatures from extinction, as their disappearance could have a devastating impact on the delicate balance of life in our oceans. These sleek, torpedo-shaped predators can reach speeds of up to 46 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest fish in the ocean. But do not be fooled by their streamlined bodies and lightning-fast moves, because makos are ruthless hunters with a taste for human flesh. Makos are known for their explosive bursts of speed, allowing them to chase down prey with ease. Their powerful tails propel them through the water with ease, while their sharp teeth and strong jaws allow them to slice through flesh and bone like butter. But makos aren't just fast and powerful, they're also incredibly elusive. They're known for their acrobatic leaps out of the water, which allow them to shake off potential predators. This behavior has led to many legends and myths surrounding the mako shark, making it an even more mysterious and fearsome creature in the eyes of humans. Despite their reputation as ferocious predators, mako sharks are actually quite graceful and elegant in the water. Their movements are fluid and effortless, making them one of the most beautiful as well as terrifying creatures in the ocean. If you ever see a mako shark swimming in the wild, you'll never forget the sight of its powerful body moving through the water with ease and speed. The ones that will make even the bravest souls think twice before taking a dip in the water. So hold on to your hats and prepare to be amazed as we reveal the truth about these magnificent creatures.
Oh.
Number 5. Tiger shark. The tiger shark, aptly named for its fierce striped pattern, is a true force to be reckoned with. The hammerhead shark is truly a sight to behold. With its distinctive hammer-shaped head and piercing eyes, this unique predator is instantly recognizable and undeniably striking. But don't be fooled by its strange appearance, because the hammerhead is a ruthless hunter with a taste for human flesh. One of the most fascinating things about the hammerhead is its unusual head shape. It's not just for show, though. That elongated cephalofoil allows the shark to detect prey from far away with its highly developed sense of smell. And when it strikes, its flat head acts like a scythe, slicing through the water with deadly precision. But the hammerhead's unusual head shape also makes it vulnerable to humans. Because of its large size and powerful jaws, the shark can inflict serious damage if provoked. Attacks on humans are rare, but when they do occur, they can be deadly. One of the most famous hammerhead attacks happened in 1959 when a surfer was bitten in California. The shark bit off part of his leg, mistaking it for a seal. Although he survived the attack, the incident shocked the public and led to widespread fear of the hammerhead. Since then, scientists have worked to understand these creatures better and dispel some of the myths surrounding them. They've discovered that hammerheads are actually quite graceful swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. They're also social creatures who often swim in groups, which makes them even more formidable predators. While the hammerhead shark may be an unusual and intimidating creature, it's important to remember that it's also an important part of our marine ecosystem. As apex predators, they help keep populations of other species in check and ensure that the oceans remain healthy and balanced. By learning more about these amazing animals and understanding their role in the ecosystem, we can work to protect them and ensure that future generations can marvel at their unique beauty and power. These massive predators can grow up to 14 feet in length and weigh over 1,000 pounds, making them one of the largest shark species in the world. But their size isn't the only thing that makes them so dangerous. Tiger sharks are opportunistic feeders with a taste for just about anything that enters their path. They have been known to attack humans, seals, sea turtles, and even other sharks. Their powerful jaws can deliver a bite force of over 1,000 pounds per square inch, enough to crush bones and tear through flesh with ease. Despite their fearsome reputation, tiger sharks play an important role in maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem. They help keep populations of other species in check and ensure that no single species dominates the waters. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these majestic creatures from extinction, as their disappearance could have a devastating impact on the delicate balance of life in our oceans. But for now, let's take a moment to appreciate the raw power and beauty of the tiger shark, a true king of the seas. Number 4. Hammerhead shark. No. 3. Mako shark. Number 2. Bull shark. No. 1. Great white shark. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.